Hi guys, hi everyone. Can you guys hear me clearly? Alright, okay, let me check. Let me know if you guys can hear me, alright? Mm. Hi everyone, give me a second. Um, give me a second, okay? I try to, okay, plug in something. Alright, done. How you guys doing so far? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Wherever you are, welcome to IC Market webinars. Okay, so today, as you can see, we're going to talk about trading range or sideways versus a trend in Forex. Okay. All right. So okay, shall we just wait? I think I'm gonna wait for let's just say 1 more minute, and then we will start the session. All right. Order filled. Okay. Okay, so just let's just begin. Shall we just begin our session? Okay, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Wherever you are, welcome to IC Market webinar. So today topic, we're going to talk about trading ranges and versus trends in Forex. Okay, and before we start the webinar, guys, disclaimer as usual. All right, just remember that, guys, everything in this video is purely education in nature. Okay, nothing in this video should be considered should not be construed as containing investment advice or an investment recommendation. Okay, and risk warning over here: trading forex and CFD carry significant risk and is may not suitable for all investor. Okay, about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. And currently, I'm also trading futures as well. Okay, so basically, I trade forex. I trade for the prop firm, and then I trade the futures. Okay, this is the agenda for today. So we're going to talk about when a range is actually accumulation and distribution. Okay, switching playbook mid session. Quick example on the major pair. Okay, so trading market. So we know that in the market, right, we will have how many? We have three of them. One is whenever you see price make a high low, you know that price on uptrend. And whenever price make a low and lower high, there's a downtrend. I know that it sounds simple, but a lot of the hey Ajay, long time no see. But a lot of you guys still don't know how to identify where the swing high, where the swing low. Okay. And after that, strong directional momentum, new driven or fundamental characteristic, volume increases on breakout, moving average arrive and sloping. Okay, so talking about the whenever I'm gonna bring you guys to the chart, I'm using the IC market chart. Okay, just in case you're asking me. Okay, let's see if you were to go on the, I'm gonna go like on the M15 just for example. Okay, let's just look on the H4 for gold first. Okay, where is your swing high, guys? So what do you think about gold right now in the H4? Do you think that gold are making in the bearish move, or you are thinking that they are doing the correction? Because it is very important there. Where have you been? I hope you are doing great, Ajay. Okay, because is it easy to say, okay, I know that price on uptrend, price make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? I know that. And then when price is making lower low, lower high, we know that price on downtrend. Whenever it's ranging, price just moving in the sideways, okay, like that. But if you're gonna look in the chart in the H4 right now, okay, what do you think about gold right now? Do you think that it's on uptrend or do you think that it's on downtrend? What do you think about gold? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, so if you want to look at the XAU USD right now, right, you will see that up. Okay, Ajay say up. Okay, I need to make a copy first because I have my signal there, not signal like my setup. So I'm gonna make a copy first so I don't like delete this here. Okay, so is this here? Gold finally broke below. Finally, it's back below 110. So when I just close my entry, price just falling. Never mind. Okay, you said that based on H4 time frame, they will say that price on up. Okay, now of course the overall momentum, we know that price on uptrend, but then you need to ask yourself, are you a swing trader or you are day trade or you are like scalping? Okay, so based on the higher time frame, we're gonna see that okay, gold is on uptrend. Is this obviously on the monthly or even weekly price on uptrend? But of course, price cannot just go like straight line up. You're gonna see price is kind of like pull back or maybe making a sideway before continue to resume to the uptrend. Okay, based on the D1 time frame, I have kind of like 2 to 3 scenario on this. One is that whenever you see price moving in the on the uptrend, really strong uptrend, there was certain that gold or price gonna be doing the collection or being sideways. Okay, so right now, based on the IC market chart and the candle, yesterday price closing with kind of, to me, the supply action, okay, which is the close at this resistance level. I would identify this my resistance level, and above that we have the OB here, or bearish order block, right? And right now I think they are doing they might doing a big sideways within the triangle right now. Okay, one, which is they might doing the correction after, maybe they're gonna do ABC there, or after they kind of like very like impulse move here, they're gonna do the collection, so being sideways, the big sideways ABC like that, or they are doing the within the bearish channel, somewhere around here. Okay, then they are doing like a collection ABC or whatsoever, A, B, and maybe C here, something like that. They are doing like that right now, because we see that whenever price making the on the uptrend, they're gonna see it's like a pullback or sideways. So right now, it's opportunity for you to short. Of course, if you want to buy, you need to buy from the below. If this is gonna be the ABC somewhere around here, so this zone, okay, it's gonna be wait, it's gonna be C somewhere around this level. big zigzag from, then C could be here. If they are doing the triangle like that. Okay. So right now they are doing the, I'm going to go to the like accumulation and distribution in a while. You hang on. Okay. Yeah. Either there's somewhere C, maybe somewhere around here. Okay. Based on, you see that yesterday price closing with resistance plus price action. So there might be somewhere around here. Okay. If they're gonna be B or somewhere around here. But right now I can see yesterday price still closing with kind of price action here at the resistance level within the OB, and price cannot close above 4260 psychological number, right? They went all in at 4264 and closed below 60. So that's why I think today we're gonna look for the sell entry, and I think at the market open, since when you will see that it's just slowly like sell off go right now. Okay. Let's just continue. Okay, so yes, the overall momentum at the high time frame is bullish, but in either H4 and maybe D1, they are doing a sideways or ranging in the bigger picture. Okay. Okay. Ranging bounce market. So whenever we see the ranging like market, okay, you will see that either indicator or such as RSI, stochastic, or even like a EMA, they might be just bound in between, or the indicator, let me just try to find whenever there's a ranging market. Okay, you'll see the II just kind of, also making something like a sideways, something like that. Okay, this is a ranging market. No clear directional bias, lower volume or consideration phase. Indicator work well. ISI stochastic, you can pick one, or you can choose two, up to you. Price respect boundary repeatedly. Moving average flattened out. So if you ask me, if I like playing ranging, yes, I do. But that strategy for you guys to trade. Okay, whenever we see the range market, first thing first, you need to draw the area or the box. Okay, let's just say the box. Okay, at the body, not the wick. Whenever you see the ranging market, you pick one time frame. Let's just say I'm gonna pick in H4. I was seeing that, okay, this is my ranging, is what ranging within this box. You need to draw the box at the body, not the wick. The body is the real price. The wick is just, price spike up, spike down. This is not the real price. So you draw here. Whenever you draw like that, you will know that this is price have broke out of the range, right? Broke out of the range, which you can see the body is close above. If you were to draw from the wick and the wick here, you wouldn't know that this is it break out the range or not, right? Maybe you might catch it somewhere here, breakout. No. You need to draw from the body, is the real price. And this is indicator they have broken out, right? And when we're gonna pull, you will see that, right? Price broke out, pull back to the box. They come in the box because below here you will see there is a demand zone right here. Okay, this is a demand. That's why price is bounced from this level with strong bullish candle, closing with bullish and gap. Talking about indicator, whenever it's ranging, the RSI is start to that flatten out. It's just somewhere here. What about indicator? I'm gonna pull out the EMA. Okay, If you're gonna look at the EMA over here, okay, you will see that whenever the EMA are cutting the price, you will know that it's being sideways until you can see that the breakout, right? And also, if you look at the range market, let me see the no. Okay, here, right? Whenever you see the sideways, you will see that the indicator, which is a EMA, cutting the price, and they making like narrow close to each other. When they break out, you can see that you look at the RSI. Sorry, not RSI. EMA. EMA is start to getting a part of each other, right? You see that very big. This is indicate a very strong uptrend. When they are being sideways here, right? Being a sideways somewhere here, and look at the EMA cutting. Whenever EMA cutting like the candle, not like the candle, okay, we're not going to trade. We know that they are being a sideways right now. Okay, look at this the eyesight as well. Okay. What about you say that okay, you are showing me on H4 time frame. I'm a scalper. I only trade on M5. What about M5 look like or M15? Then you go to the M15. Okay, we're gonna see the range right here. This is distribution already. I'm gonna come back this later, right? Price was from here, correct? Okay, you see that price is ranging within this box. If you say that, oh, I think I start to like considerate here or ranging here, you can do that as well, right? And after that, when price break out, okay, break out all the way here in the M15, whoever trade the OB, I think you can see price it respect the OB. And after that, here also have the supply zone. Then they come back here to tap in the supply zone, and after that, price falling. How many pips? Almost 200 pip and then rising. Okay, in M15, this is how you draw or you trade the ranging market. You wait for price to close. Sometime in the lower time frame, even the M5, you will see that right here, obvious that price have broken. Sometimes might pull back, but in this case it's not pull back. Usually sometime, okay, sometime when you see like that price breakout of the box, and then they have created the like OB here, sometimes they will pull back and then you can sell. Okay, but sometimes they'll just continue to fall. So it depends. If you wait for pullback, some wait for pullback for conservative trader, and then you sell. The aggressive, whenever break up the box, they just put a sell stop and then continue. Okay, so it's up to you. And then we're gonna look at the RSI. What do you look? See, right? It's what ranging here, and the RSI. What is the yellow line here? Or they're using SMA. Okay, SMA just cut in between in the center of the RSI being sideways. So whenever the RSI cross below the SMA, which is yellow one, start to break out, you can see it fall back. Okay, go to the bullish here. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about accumulation and also distribution. I think some of you guys or most of you had heard about that if you was like trading more than 1 year or 2 years, even 3 years. Okay, so they will say that not all the ranges are created equally. Accumulation meaning that when smart money buying before uptrend, and distribution meaning that when smart money is selling before the downtrend. Okay, the key signs, you can use the volume pattern, price action at boundary, time spent at the level. So whenever there is very strong uptrend, okay, after strong uptrend, you will see that price, okay, start to kind of exhausted and then being a sideways. Then you know that this is being accumulation, being sideways, like accumulation before markup, distribution at the resistance level before markdown, which is, I'm gonna take the example of where my chart go right now. Wow, where's my lovely XUSD go for 2000? Oh my god. I was short gold and I already why I cannot you see, for finally it's 4. I was short edge here and then I close that now all the way down. Okay, never mind. Okay, we continue with the accumulation and distribution. Accumulation at the support, meaning that I'm gonna go to H4. Okay, here, right? You will see that I would consider here is accumulation. Okay, you see that when there, then this one as well. You can see whenever the sideways move, right? Accumulation here at the support level, here, before it's mark up, okay, go to the upside. Then you will see that they break out of the range here, being sideways in H4, right? You will see that. Before, if we're going to look at the market structures, right? We know that price has made the equal high right here. Where? Here. Okay. And then they also doing the we just say here chain of character. Okay. And now we're gonna look at market structure, and then after that they also make a lower low. So this is a boss, a break of structure, but price could not close below this to make a boss. Okay, so they did not. So this is gonna be our low, right? They cannot make a lower low. Okay, and after that it's what ranging in H4. You can see that in the range. After that they break out. So from this ranging breakout, and from this we're gonna say that this is our chain of character, because they are changing from the bearish to the bullish, because they break out the range, they break out this like high to make a new high. Okay, after that we will see, okay, this is the boss. Okay, they also break out of this high also, right? You see that? And they also break, this is the resistance level you have to sell, which is your smart money liquidity. Okay, tap in your liquidity, put the price up, okay, before put the price down, meaning this is your liquidity you want to sell at the neckline. Remember that we taught to sell whenever you see the M pattern. When price pull back to the neckline, we're gonna sell. And then after that, you tap in the sell, price puts the price, they put the price up, tap in your stop loss, and then reverse to the origin, which is your sell here right now. Okay, so after that, okay, they make the chain of character again here. Okay, oh, where's my chain of character, right? And after that, they make the boss, another BOS here, right? But then they cannot make another break of structure. Instead, they cannot make a lower low, they make the higher low, right? And after that, they continue to go, and this one, they also break out of this high. But this one also consider the either you say this is going to be the boss or break of structure, but this is going to be liquidity. Why? On a higher time frame, we already know that, right? This is the one of the liquidity, got stop out because price go to the OB, really went to the OB plus resistance level. Wow, this strong selling already. Oh my god, I closed my sell just before my webinar. Okay, you see price winning. So today, if you want to buy, here is for you to buy, guys, at this level, since we are ready to look at gold right now. Okay, very strong selling. Finally, it's while ranging for so long, more than that. Okay, so this is your buy entry. If you want to buy, that would be, I'm gonna put the wick. I know that the zone is big, that's why you should wait for confirmation. When you wait for price to go in the box, okay, then you buy. Okay, this is a D1 time frame. Okay, go back to H4. Okay, accumulation here. Of course, I will show you the picture. It look like so nice, but of course, in the chart, in the real chart, it's not look like that. Okay, this is being the sideways accumulation. Okay, they sell off first. Whenever they sell off, they got no order. We just maybe think at the logic. You sell off, you don't have the order. So in here, they're starting to buy. Buy. You sell at the expensive one, and then here I'm waiting to buy. So you keep buying here. Before ranging, they push the price up, mark up. Okay, to here. Then a lot of people here, people got the maybe FOMO. From here, you normally buy, start to buy. Some of you guys maybe buy along the way. At this level, okay, in the lower time frame, maybe being the sideways or ranging here, right? Here, yeah, being the distribution. Before the distribution, okay, they was sideways somewhere around here. You will see that. You right. This is the M30. You can go to the M15. Like, look for the M15. Okay, they bring you sideways here. Actually, your price action with confirmation seen here already. And after that, right, you see that accumulation, markup, distribution before they sell off. So they're collecting the sell entry. So whoever from here, okay, like for example, like from here, messy, right? Like whoever buy from this level at these zones, okay, they might close the position. Like you hold the buy entry, okay, and then at this level you start to sell because you think that it's already expensive at this zone, at the supply zone, right? At this level, either you close the position or you sell off the order that you buy from here. Then after that, in the lower time frame, you will see that it was ranging. They are doing the distribution soon. They will distribute when price break out of the range. This candle, right? This is we trade in the ranging market, okay, in M5, like M15, M30. And after that, you see that the breakout, they can pull back here and then they continue to like distribute, sell off. Okay, this mean by accumulation distribution. So whenever you see the sideway or ranging, you will see the ranging most of the time in the support or resistance or demand and supply. Ah, finally, it really finally break. So you want to sell, guys, I think you should prepare to buy gold. If you want to buy, that's gonna be the zone. This zone also very nice to buy as well. Right now, okay, right now M 15 we have the OB here, but it's you want to see like this very strong selling, so we're not gonna buy. Buy at the low one is better. somewhere around here. Okay, that's mean by accumulation and distribution. Any question, guys? Any question? Do you have a question to ask me? Okay, let's just continue. So they will say that accumulation phase signal. So price test support multiple times without breaking. Volume increases on moving up from support. Volume decreases on moving down to the support level as well. Spring break, brief break before support that quickly recovers. Compression range tighten over time. Contact after significant downtrend or at major support level. Distribution. Okay, for distribution, you're gonna see the price test resistance multiple times without breaking. So basically, they are just being a sideways within the range. Okay, volume increases on the move down from resistance. Volume decreases on rallies to resistance. Upthrust brief break above resistance that fell, signal on strain pattern emerge after significant uptrend or at major resistance level. Right. Prepare for the downside breakdown. This one you prepare for the upside break. Okay. So right here. Actually, in the lower time frame, it was sideways along the way. You see that? This was the resistance, right? It's what really ranging at the resistance level here. So this is a distribution. Okay. One, you see that it being sideways. You see this one break and it's pull back where? At this box, right? The lower one, and then after that continues to fall. Okay, and after that, what do you see? If you're gonna look at market structure right now, that right price being the higher low, so uptrend. From here, M15, I know that price make a high, low, high low, and so on. And where is the, okay, I'm gonna ask you, this was the high, right? This is high, this is a low. Is this is higher? Is you're gonna pick this high or this high? Is it going to like this is higher low, you go high, lower low, or this one? Are you gonna put like that, or you just gonna count from, I'm gonna pick from here, higher low, higher low, higher low. So when this is very important that you need to know how to find the swing high and the swing low. To me, I'm gonna post this is my high. This not high because this high did not push the price break a new low, right? So this is a low that puts the price break above this high. So this is the one. Okay. And they make a high. I think they'll make a divergence somewhere around here. Yet there's a bearish divergence plus price action. And after that, they broken this low, right? So meaning that they are changing, they break out of the box. They also make the chain of character here. They break out of the ranging market. This one with this. Okay, after that, they are pull back. You might get this entry, right? Then they make the low here. Okay, from this swing high and this swing low, you can wait for price to pull back. Okay, at least how many 50% and above you're gonna sell. So when you see that price is pull back to the zones, this is your, either you say that is your supply zone plus 50% and above, so you can have another sell here, and then you can see that this your boss break of structure, right? Okay, and then you sell, and then now right now they really break below this low, close below finally, so meaning that they are already make another boss. Okay, so right now what you need to do, either one they'll continue to go bearish, or you can wait for price to pull back somewhere around here and then you sell. Yeah, that might FBG or somewhere OB in the lower time frame, and then we're gonna see again. But okay, but right now they are changing the momentum. Bearish here, either somewhere here it might see the bounce, kind of overlap for 180 somewhere around the zone. Oh, so fast, come in, come down. This level, are we gonna buy? Are we gonna buy at this level? 780. Okay, somewhere around here. I saw there is the zone somewhere around here. You see that? If you want to buy this is risky, so what you need to do, you need to wait for rejection. M1 rejection. Oof. Aggressive trader, right now you just buy. Okay, you just buy at the zones. This is your zone. Oh, bounce up already. So fast. Okay. 60 pip. This is your buy zone, right? From buy, I'm gonna look for the sell entry in the lower time frame somewhere, maybe here or on top there. This bounce up. It's bounce up. Another zone that we can buy, maybe somewhere here, FBG, oscillate above, meaning, right? You see the maybe somewhere here and go here. The target that I'm looking is still at this level for the OB in daily time frame. Okay, just now if you have a quick hand, quick fingers, tap in 80 plus 81, bounce up to 89. Oh, that's quick, right? Almost 100 pips. Good day for everyone. Yeah, good day to you, Jamilus. Okay. So this is how we look at the market structures. And then from there, they also like being a sideways somewhere around here. The one of the thing is that if you were to hold your 70, you can hold because you see that they make a lower low, right? And now they make a lower low, lower high. And now they are tapped in where the zone, these zones, the rejection. If you want to sell, you should wait for price to pull somewhere, maybe here, and then we target here for the OB or demand in D1 time frame somewhere around here. Okay, let's go to okay, bounce. If you ask me, I miss, okay, because I do the webinar, I cannot trade. Bounce up already. Let me see if anybody want to sell. That's what the zone. Okay. In H4, that is the OB here, right? In the zone, there is a FBG somewhere around here. Okay, let me just continue. So there's no question at all. Okay, I got two more to finish. Okay, so switching from range to trend. So trigger clean break of range boundary with volume. Wait for the retest of broken level for confirmation. So basically, I will show you, right? You need to wait for the breakout, then retest, and then you buy. If break below, pull back, and then you sell. Okay. Shift to trend following indicator, which is moving averages. Move stop to break even quickly. Where don't fade the breakout if the volume confirm. Anybody use volume to trade? I don't use volume to trade. Anybody? Okay, let me pull out the volume. Is this volume indicator? You guys using this one? Anybody use volume to trade, guy? I did not. Okay. Let's just see. From breakout. This is our so quick. Almost 100 pip. Okay. You see the volume? You see the volume here, very strong. This is oversold already. That's why a lot of people buying. You see the volume. Let's just look for the ranging market somewhere around here. You look the volume. This volume is very high, right? You look at this volume. Is really strong buying from this 4180. Price falling down to 4182. Okay, almost at 80. Okay, and you see that it's bound. You can see the volume very strong buy. This was the selling. Okay, this was strong volume as well, selling. Okay, after that being sideways. Okay, whenever being sideways, you can see the volume is just being like very like choppy, very small right here, somewhere around here, sideways, right? But then if you were to see like volume spike up here, this very strong, either sell or buy somewhere around the zone. Of course, you want to see those like very high volume at the key level as well. In this case, right, there's a lot of volume here, but then it's what here, then it's what ranging, and then I see the volume. I think it's just being like that, not much more. Refer to the no, yeah, Ajay say no. I also don't use volume to trade. Okay, because there's so many, so I don't use volume. I think the volume that we can use the MACD. They're easy. Okay, you're gonna I'm gonna remove the volume here. Okay, I'm gonna use the MACD. Okay, MACD volume we already see in the M5 or even like M15 that be strong selling, and you also can see that the MACD line cross below the signal, which is the blue cross below yellow. Okay, you sell. I start to like sell again here, and then you see that the histogram is go below the zero line here. This is turning from the positive to the negative. What about we go on a higher time frame? H1 here, it is very strong that seen here when the both cross below. Now I combine with the MACD that I shared with you guys. Remember, cross, you're gonna get the sell somewhere around here at the resistance level, and you can see cross the momentum indicator, which is you can see that the histogram is from the positive, it turned to be the negative, so from the bullish to the bearish here. And you see the color, strong selling, so red. This is just a light red color, right? You see that, so you can hold your sell entry and you keep holding. Some of the traders just trade by using the MACD to help them to hold the position longer. M5 time frame for volume. M5 volume is still selling though. If we're gonna talking about the volume, I'm gonna like a momentum, to talk about the momentum. Okay, like here. I think now it's bounce off scalping just now. I think more than 100 pip or close to. Let's just say I will just claim for 100 pip. Okay, yeah, a bit, never mind. Then maybe you close the position because you buy for the bounce. Okay, so best you need to sell. The buy entry that we are looking for is not there, is here. It's at this zone. Okay, it's at this zone. All right, then what about switching from trend to range? Shows trigger multiple fair breakout attempt, price start respecting new bodily, volume dry up on directional move, tighten stop on trend opposite, consider taking profit and waiting, start looking for the range bounce setup. Switch from trend to range. What does this mean? Can I just remove this one? Why my setup, guys? Is this here? Oh, this is the one. I'm gonna delete first, okay? Now, I know that this is very strong move. Okay, one other thing I can just move here first, okay? Maybe move here. We're gonna buy at the zone plus 38.2% fib. Okay. Green man. I'm gonna use the okay, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave maybe 4, and go wave 5 maybe, if they're gonna be like that. So that will be retrace 38.2%, yeah, within the zone that we want to buy, right? This is about the zones, and we have a 38.2% somewhere around here. Okay, so you just mark out these zones for you guys to buy. Okay, so now this one as well is what ranging, is what doing the triangle here. Okay, before the breakout of this resistance level. How to use triangle? Yeah, right? Breakout triangle here. Breakout here, right? Go breakout, retest, and then go. Okay, so I know that a lot of the trader, or even I myself, I like to trade with the ranging. We sell at the upper, we buy at the lower. Okay, and then stop loss just put above the swing high, the upper. So if we still sell, okay, this gonna be stop out, right? Then we know that, okay, they break out upside, then we wait for the pullback, then you can buy. Okay, in this case. Okay, any question, guys? Any questions? Shall we buy gold right now at the zones? What do we think? Oh, lower time frame, price make the higher low, but it's not a confirm yet because they haven't really break, to me, not really break out this one. Or I want to see either gonna break, you're gonna do maybe here, and then I kind of buy. Okay, but they haven't showed the any confirmation. M5 we just see the rejection, but they're not closing with the bullet and gap. So even though closing about more than 50%, but still within the zone, and also our zone is big, so we need more confirmation. Okay, oh, M5 M15 rejection, closing, price closing when? Closing at 4189.80, rejection, but it's still strong sell, so we are not gonna buy yet, and we should just wait. Okay, I think if you want to buy, you can buy now. You can buy at this level, then stop loss is this swing low, then your stop loss, and the take profit, I'm gonna aim for TP would be here. We're gonna have very tight stop loss. You're gonna buy, right? You buy, and your TP 100 pip, and then your SL 60 pip. That's for scalping. I mean, if you want to buy, that's the zone. Okay, go to the zone for you to buy. high risk, at your own risk, at your own choice. Okay, this is for the aggressive scalper. Okay, you can buy. So just not able to buy, I think you would have earned a few pips somewhere around here. 15 pip. Scalping 15 pip, 15 pip. We scared just cheap stop loss to break even, and then you hold. You buy at this M1. Okay, this stop loss put at the wick, and then you can aim for this TP. It's about 4198 before 4200, and price has really bounced off. Okay, okay guys, that should be all for today. Any question? $30. We have 8 minutes to go. Anybody buy at this level? Anyone? Anyone buy at that level? 30 pip. Whenever price move 30 pip, you should just chip stop loss here to your at least break even. Even though if price falling, hit your stop loss, you wouldn't lose anything, right? Your account is still there. Right now, what I want to see that price can close above this price with the body at 41.92. If they close, and then okay, I'll wait, maybe wait for the pullback somewhere around here. I'm gonna buy at this level. I want to see something like that. Okay, you're welcome. Do you buy? Okay, now we want to see price close, right? It's about to close. Yep. Okay. I just go do scalping. 50 pip. 50 pip in the pocket. Okay. So now I want M1 to close. It pull back somewhere around here. We're gonna buy. We have how many minutes for this candle to close? Oh, 10 seconds. 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's closed. Okay, it's closed above this level. It might just continue to go right, but if the pullback, I might want to buy. At these zones, if they pull back within these zones. Sometimes it may not pull back, but if they pull back at 89.90, then we can buy. Right here, if they pull, then we can buy. But it seems like they are not. They just go back, retest at this week, and then rising. If they're rising over there, then I will consider again whether I want to sell at this zone or not, at 49.98 or like 4,200. I think maybe right now if price close below 4,200, meaning that that's gonna be the resistance level. Okay, like you see that price close below 4,200. All right, okay guys, that should be all for today. If anyone did buy here, okay, just set stop loss to break even. It's more than 50 pip. Okay, if price rising to 4,200, which is this way, you want to sell on the lower time frame, you wait for confirmation and then you can sell. Okay, so that should be all for today guys. I hope you guys learning something. So whenever, don't make it like very complicated for like the accumulation and distribution. So whenever you see accumulation, again recap, very strong bearish, right? After that, you see accumulation, which is being sideways in the lower time in the support level. You know that okay, these are being the accumulation or sideways. So then you are prepared for the breakout to the upside. Then you're gonna go mark up to this sideways at the resistance or supply zone. You will see those are being a sideways again. Then you prepare for breakdown. Gonna break or mark down here. Okay, it's just like that. Sometimes to me they just like to use those like wording for us to like for the new trader to get like confused. But if you stay in the market for so long, I mean not so long, and then you like love learning, then you see oh actually just okay, accumulation, support level, okay, price strong move, impulse move, they will be sideways before they continue to rally again. It just seems like we are running, right? You are running, you are go for marathon, running marathon, right? And after that there's a certain timing, okay, you're too tired, then after that you can like have a quick slow walk. Either you slow walk here, after you start to maybe you go continue to running again, or from here you climb up on the mountain, up on the mountain you take a rest, then you sitting down maybe somewhere over here before you run down. Okay, boom. You will see that whenever we buy gold, right, sometimes gold it will take time to like go up. Just thinking like yourself climbing the staircase, you're tired. But whenever you go down, right, you go down or say or go itself off here, it's super fast. Because why? Like you running or you walk down from the staircase. When you walk up, it's so tiring. When you walk down, it's so easy, right? So just think like that. That's why you're gonna look at the chart for gold right now. You look here. Just look at the M5, right? You see that you buy, it will take time to look at the candle, and whenever they just either smart money in the market, they just say oh boom, right? You see this sell here, then you see hey sell here, right? And they have another, you sell here, broke the support level or like the swing low here, broke, make the new low. Okay, the same. Alright guys, that should be all for today. Okay, so this is the just now anybody buy. I will say that I want to buy when it pull back. Is it pull back already? Not yet, right? Not yet the zone. So they are coming. They're coming down. Maybe either coming down here at 4190 or 90 or 89. I'm gonna buy. My stop loss gonna set where? I'm gonna set at this swing low. Not this swing low. Too far for me. My swing low would be very tight at 87 or 86. Not this swing. This gonna be my swing. Stop loss. You're gonna buy at these zones and target somewhere around at 49, 41.98. Okay. Alright guys, that should be all for today. Thank you so much guys for joining me. I'm gonna catch up with you guys again on next week, Tuesday. Okay, happy trading guys. Bye bye. Take care. It's so messy here. Okay. Bye guys. You're welcome. Bye bye.